everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Honda Civic, and we're going to do the chrome delete installation for the side doors. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So for this installation we use the gloss black material on the side chrome deletes. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the chrome panels. So all we need to do now is apply slip solution onto a clean microfiber towel and just make sure to remove any contaminants that each chrome panel might have. And remember, if you are tucking in the film, to clean the inside of the chrome panel as well. Okay, so to start off the installation, we want to align it right on the edge right here of the chrome. So just align it and use the bottom half of the chrome panel as a guide so you can align the film to the chrome panel. Okay, so now once you applied the film, start tacking down the flat surface and making sure you're removing the air bubbles that are behind the film. And for this chrome installation, you can either tuck in the film inside the gasket here. Just make sure when you tuck in, it's tucked in and sealed, that way the film doesn't lift. Or you can trim off just the excess of material up to where it covers the chrome. So make sure if you're tucking in, just remove the gasket just a bit and give yourself enough room to tuck in. Once you finish tucking in, we're just going to apply heat, so that way we help the adhesive tack down to the panel. And if you have a protective glove that helps you resist the heat of the heat gun, you could wear one. It helps also tack down the film. And then for this edge right here, you are going to have excess material. This excess material you could trim off. Okay, once it's trimmed off, add heat. That way the film is able to tack down on this end section here. And the steps that we did for the front panel, we will just rinse and repeat for the rear panel here. So just align and work your way to the end right here. Okay, so now we move on with the last piece here. So let's make sure the door is open to have room to work with. And you're gonna start off by aligning it right on the edge here first. And make sure when you're tacking down, you give yourself enough material to cover the chrome piece underneath here. Now once we have everything covered and we make sure everything's good, we can start aligning it on the top. So make sure you're giving yourself enough material here as well. So that looks like it's good. Just lift it here, cover the top too. So that should be perfect. And now the next thing to do is just squeegee down the flat surface and remove any air bubbles. Okay, now that we removed all of the air bubbles and tacked down the flat surface, we're going to use our heat gun and start heating around the curves. That way the film starts tacking down to the curves. Okay, now that we finished tacking down all the edges and helping the film tack down to the curves, now we could trim off any excess material. So just grab your blade and make sure you're giving yourself enough material to still cover the chrome, and then just trim off the excess material. And then to double check and see where the chrome piece ends, just lift the film just a bit so you can have an idea. So roughly ends around there. So you could trace it with your finger and then start trimming off the excess material. And you just rinse and repeat for the rest of the chrome right here. And then just apply heat to re-secure the film, since we trimmed and lifted the film. And that's it, you should be done. So once we finish with the whole installation for the chrome panel, the last thing to do is just post heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate and stay secure onto the panel. So just grab your heat gun and post heat all around, and you could use a microfiber towel to help you tack down the film more better and around the edges. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the side door chrome deletes for the 2023 Honda Civic. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.